Judging by a few online posts and some stuff I've seen in person and conversations that I've had, a lot of people believe this is as far as you need to install flex pipe onto a barbed fitting. Well, that's not true. That's not supposed to go up to the second barb and stop, because then it'll leak out of the flex pipe, right out of the bottom of the barbed fitting if things get bent around. The correct way to install this is all the way on the barb like you see here. And it's really simple to do. It's going to be hard for me to show you this because I've already done it on this head. But if you take, in this case, the head and rotate it clockwise, the pipe will start to rotate around the fitting. And if it meets the fitting on the bottom there, then the fitting will start to rotate on the inside of the pipe on this end until it reaches as far as it can go, which you can see I'm bending the flex pipe now because that is as tight as it will go. That's how you're supposed to install flex pipe. And yeah, I do use the Marlex 90s and swing joints, as you can see here. All right, on to the next repair.